Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So it's your girl Shakay. If you're new to my channel, welcome. If you're an oldie and a goodie, hi guys, welcome back. So welcome to another weekly vlog. It is Sunday afternoon. Yes guys, Sunday. Summer air finally though. Finally, yeah. But anyways guys, we got from church around 1ish, and then we had dinner. Right now I'm going to be playing games. Yeah, I'm gonna play 2 Sims. Yeah, tell me guys down below if you like Sims. I love Sims, so I don't know. In 3 persons. Blessed Trinity. It's Thursday. I know I have not been vlogging for the entire week, but I'm sorry. I've been totally busy and I don't want to repeat things that I vlogged before. So most of my vlog will be on Friday, Saturday, and all of that. But sorry for all of that. But it's Thursday today. We are still at school. We're at school. It's in the morning. It is 7:38. So yeah, bye. Good morning guys. I know I've been MIA. It's Friday, but as I said guys, I don't want to repeat content, so I haven't been vlogging at all. But today's Jersey Day guys. Today's a special day. Today's Friday. It's Jersey Day at school. I want to show me back on my shirt, but we can't see it, so let me let somebody do it for me. Hey guys, so I'm back home, actually just walking in. I'm tired y'all, but Jersey Day was fun. It was fresh, it was nice, something different. Yup. Love. Hey guys, so it's young adult time. Look at them late and I walk like them early. Yes guys, we are running a bit late, but we are gonna have fun. It's dark, I know, I'm sorry guys. Let me light up the place. Hear them in the people in church. I don't hear them. Hear them. Lights. I'm inside. I'm Liz Andra. Liz girl. All around in Jesus, I'm upstairs. Upstairs, downstairs, upstairs, downstairs, all around in God. So talk now? Oh, you want me to teach us vlog.
No, they know me a vlog.
Sorry.
See, so we're here. We want to look up the dinner right now. Because, you know, the people them hungry in the streets.
Yes.
Alright? Hungry streets. Yes. So, to the hungry, I'm going to show you the hungry. Watch it now. Listen to this. Watch it. So, who hungry in the streets? Who hungry in the streets? You see it? Look. Hungry in the streets. Street people hungry.
So hurry up with the fries.
Street people hungry.
You see it?
Hungry.
Hungry in the streets. Alright, now we are going to look at that. Fries are going to look after me. You see it? Because you know, say young chef in the streets. You see me?
And
so,
mother chef.
Fries and mother chef.
Chef Victor and Chef Victoria.
Yeah, in a way.
Custom jersey.
Your jersey, nice streets. Young you with them nice streets.
You got it.
Anyways, I'm telling her no. I'm saying to her no. I did not pay $7,000 for those streets. So how is it? And then I thought it was one. So I don't know if it's three there or if it's one. I think it's three. But anyways, the post office lady told me that she saw only one quantity on it. So I thought it was only one. So I'm saying I didn't even pay $7,000.
And I'm not supposed to cook.
If I had No, nothing was when it came to
No, yes.
the wig look good or me don't know.
So we don't know.
Body is wet.
So you know that we are watching two vlogs at once because
So I ended up having
we're gonna
to
watch this vlog and I'm sure you watched the other vlogs before.
receipt, my receipt from
So yeah, we have to check on the pot.
website.
So
and
I go on.
had to put in like the
And I had
thing that
to
they sent.
shh. Cake me here, I like pop, hungry I pop too.
And then
For real,
on
hungry I
these
pop.
things, you see, I have 21 days for this package to be at the post office before
We're
they
putting
start
something in
charging.
there.
We're gonna put it.
No, I received this information.
Not the fries. Tap you up close and personal.
I have.
Step off my nice slippers. No nice. Now my Gucci. Just a part of our streets. Oh, we just have again. Our streets, young adult fellowship. Our streets. And our streets to the room.
You can't have
Food. Keep one minute to care for it. Oh, Cardi B go again. No.
I don't know.
Me no business. What Cardi B make it sound? Yes, with the spatula, with the SpongeBob.
One more. Oh, you tell me they make acting? Hell hot. Yo.
Yes. I don't know. Pay along with me, Ada.
Pet.
I'm going to say people don't scam me.
Alright, next.
I was
Support the
scared.
question. So that's Bailey in the
Never would have been
bag.
so bad
Yeah.
if the
If.
people them never charge me the $7,000 a day.
Please.
Because then you see how people like Shani go there when I love one.
Yeah.
And people like me where you have $7,000.
Yeah, me tell you now, but it's much of myself,
And people like me where if you have $7,000 I couldn't give for one.
No, can I buy one bun and cheese now?
If
Good morning, guys. Welcome to Saturday's vlog. So I'm going to Maypen. I'm gonna meet my goddaughter. I think I haven't seen her personally from she was blessed. So yeah, exciting times. I don't know if I'll actually film her, so if I do, then you'll see that clip. If I don't, then you'll see me probably somewhere in Maypen shopping. But anyways, bringing her a gift because Sunday is her birthday, just tomorrow. So yeah, yes guys, so today should be fun. However, I'm getting worried because these guys just look rainy. Look at that. It's gonna rain and I'm worried because I don't like going to Maypen in the rain. That looks horrible. That even looks like it's raining already. It's already raining in Maypen. I don't know. I don't know. No.
Pick one of me here.
I didn't know. Hey guys, so reached Domino's, so I'm waiting. So guys, these are some things I bought. I bought the Originals olive oil foam wrap lotion. I bought the Leave-In Nutritional Hair and Scalp Treatment. I bought this olive oil treatment, olive and clove oil treatment. I bought the shampoo. Bought conditioner. I bought the hair meal, and I also bought the conditioner. Yes, so these are the things I bought today and all the stuff. They actually flat good, you know?
They black good.
Yeah, it's just as you know, flat for the funny root. Still, you have to take your time and plait it funny. I'm gonna get your hairs done, guys, by Ken J.